Now we look at two types of thyroid hormone. Okay, and this is the T4 and also the T3. Okay, T4 and also the T3. Okay, so this is T4, this is T3. Okay, so try to look at these two types of hormones and also try to look at uh, their roles. Okay, so what we have is they're actually biological active forms of thyroid hormone. Do you understand? And we're actually talking about the free, okay, the free ones. Okay, so T3 is known as triiodothyronine, while T4 is known as thyroxine. Okay, so they circulate in the body, and when we're talking about the free ones, they are unbound to proteins. So what are they? T4 is a main hormone that is produced by the thyroid gland. Most of it is bound to proteins in the blood, but a small fraction of it will be free. Okay. Then T3 is triiodothyronine. Okay, which is the most active hormone. Okay, so most T3 is made by converting T4 into T3. So a small fraction of T3 is also free. So what is the when you talk about free versus total? Total simply means both the bound ones to proteins and the ones that are free. While free ones just reflect the ones that are just active portion that could actually just flow around and act on cells. Okay. So functions is it regulates metabolism, control how the body uses energy, growth and development. It's very nice for brain development. Temperature regulation, influence the heat. Um, okay. So growth and development is very essential for brain development in infants. Temperature regulation, cardiovascular effect, affect heart rate and cardiac output. So clinical use, if I'm doing a free T4 test, I'm trying to assess for how your thyroid gland is functioning. If I'm suspecting for hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism, then if I'm doing a free T3 test, I'm trying to diagnose hyperthyroidism since T3 levels can rise earlier. Okay. So together with TSH, doctors usually interpret is alongside, thyroid stimulating hormone, to get a full picture of thyroid health. So typical patterns include hypothyroidism is the free T4 will be low, okay, but thyroid stimulating hormone will be high. Okay, hyperthyroidism, the free T4 and free T3 will be high, while the thyroid stimulating hormone will be low. Okay, so these are bases to try to interpret lab results.